What's going on, guys? This is Zach with the Hard Hats Garage. Starting this up another project here. If I can hold the camera right. Come on now. I know you just woke up. Anyways, had some issues with my daily driver, a 2005 Chevy pickup, 4.8 English. We're getting there. All right. Anyways, but truck developed a pretty solid old lifter knock. It was bad, and it's been running a little rough. I kind of wonder what damage the lifter has done. I would start it up and do it. I'm about to pull the truck down so we can put the cam in it. Upgrading with good old Texas Speed parts. Texas Speed Stage 2 low lift truck cam. Beehive valve springs. Of course, I got some gaskets here, more gaskets in the truck. But yeah, we're just gonna start this off here in just the driveway, tear it down, and get going. Hopefully, I have it fired up here in a little bit, and hopefully the stupid dogs just shut up. Anyways, I'm gonna set y'all up. Probably put some music over what I'm doing because I'm gonna be here for a while, and we're just gonna start tearing this thing down. I'm gonna pull the radiator and fans out, and the radiator, fans, condenser, and we're going to pull the intake, heads, water pump, front accessories off this POS. So here we go. We're going to do it. I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm going to cam an LS, but I made a shoot. I worked on a 351. We might see what we can do about this thing. I left her setting for too long. I've got a battery charger on her, so we're gonna let her eat, and maybe I can get this thing out of here too, because I'm about tired of seeing it sitting in this garage. Tools for my work, because well, you see, the thing is I don't have a whole lot of tools here. This whole thing right on out of here. Oh, oh, dang! Destructo. Hold on to this. Just take this off real quick. Just bear with me for a second. This is prime content we got going on right here. Oh, okay. We're just gonna come out of the tube. That works. Whatever. Yep. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna get this airbox out of here. What all holds this airbox in? Can I just pull on it? Okay, we're gonna pull the top off of it. I don't know if I have any torques. Oh Lord, I don't know if I have any torques. Well, this is gonna be fun. Oh, there's some torques. I hope this is the right size. We're about to find out. Thanks, Dad, for giving me your old toolbox full of random old tools to see. Oh, okay, it's good enough. Let's see. I'll pull the top off, and then I'll pull the vise off. Don't look at the degas bottle, I don't have nothing in it because the water pump's leaking. But that's fine, we got gaskets for that now. So, I ain't too worried about that. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. One more time, come on. Nope, come on now. Be nice. There we go. Okay, I think that's out. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm a mechanic. Is this what you call mechanicing? Whew. Come on. Get one out of there. Oh, no. This little tricky bugger down here. Come on. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it. Yeah, bless. I said, come on. Well, listen here. Okay. Yep. Hey. No. Nope, nope. Okay. He did. Ooh. This little tripod thing isn't the greatest thing, but you know, we're working with what we got here. Ain't no millionaire yet. Come on. Come on, focus camera. Okay. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Alright, where can I set this thing? You go right here. That thing. You go right here. Okay, yeah, they're just gonna have to watch from like right over here for just like a couple seconds while I pull this once it comes out. There. That's what I get for not bringing any torch bits. This is out here. Come on, lead away. Come on now. Okay, what we got here? Let's organize this. Oh, okay, yeah. This is how we do this. Come on now. Come on with me. I said, come here. Oh, okay, we got it. Yep. Come on. Time for you to leave. Alright, there we go. Oh, dang, we got a first part of it. Oh, dang, the air filter. Oh, not too bad. Still over there. Alright, let's see if we can pop this up. Yep, there's that. We're just scooting right along here. Me has this real nice set of snap-on pliers and whatnot. Also me leaves them at work, so we're just gonna work with what we got. Ain't no problem. Okay, you can quit that now. I said you could stop. Just come on. Okay, why are we not coming off? I hate these old signs. I don't know how to design these things. It's like, oh yeah, this, you know, these are a lot better than the ones you just turn on with a screwdriver. I don't know what you think. Okay. Should probably get my deal out and put it under. Yep. Just gotta twist it. Twist it. Okay. We're just gonna big old pry bar. Oh. Alright. See what that is. Alright, yeah. Ooh. Alright, where's the screen? Look at that. I'll stick this back up here. Now we'll get that stuff out of there. Let's get the upper one off real quick. And we'll just take it off over here too, because it's got fancy. Why do I keep losing my screwdriver? No, it's right here. Come on now. Okay, so this refrigerator is off. Oh, there ain't nothing in there. Jesus. Hello? Okay, anyways. Just set that over there. I think I'll start tearing down the motor for now. Just so I can get right in here and get to it. We'll go to Riley's and either I'll get the tool for the quick disconnect or I'll just get a pick so I can pick these little out of there. So Alrighty, let's see what we can do here with this old camera, so I can figure out how y'all can watch me be an idiot. Yeah. Oh, that's not too bad. Let's get her at the right. I'm sorry if she's sideways. You know, we're just gonna go along with it.